The market seems to have finally rebounded today. The price of Shiba Inu has rebounded. Whales are commencing significant maneuvers. Approximately $477 billion in Shiba Inu is being transacted. It amounts to $38 billion within a single day. Analysts issued a significant alert. Shytoshi, we want clarification. What is occurring? How will all of this be coherent? What am I discussing? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Today is an exceptionally thrilling day for the Shiba Inu Society. Prior to proceeding, I would like to provide a little update on an intriguing platform known as MemeBot. MemeBot is a straightforward cryptocurrency arbitrage tool that allows users to invest their digital assets and, according to the site, get a daily return of 10% on their deposits. The platform provides two distinct plans. The first plan offers a 10% daily return over 14 days, whilst the subsequent plan provides an extraordinary 120% return within just 24 hours. A key advantage of MemeBot is its guarantee of daily withdrawals without additional fees, providing a seamless experience. Depositing is simple. Users choose a plan, specify the amount, and deposit money into the site. Let us now discuss withdrawals. This account has produced $100 today. Let us proceed with the withdrawal procedure. It is quite simple. The user clicks Withdraw, picks the cryptocurrency, USDT in this instance, inputs the amount of $100, and verifies the transaction. The money are successfully deposited into the wallet within minutes. MemeBot uses a sophisticated arbitrage bot that analyzes 12 cryptocurrency exchanges to identify optimal trade combinations. This technology, developed by MemeBot, independently executes market judgments. A team of engineers consistently enhances the bot by rectifying faults and upgrading the code to maintain a competitive edge in the market. The platform aims to make arbitrage trading available to all individuals with no effort or previous expertise. Users must do comprehensive research before investing in any site. Such elevated profits, as promoted, entail considerable risk, and there exists a possibility of total loss. Having said that, let us return to the video. Following yesterday's significant price decline, Shiba Inu seems to have achieved a robust comeback. The atmosphere has entirely transformed, now infused with a palpable sense of hope. Individuals are optimistic that this increase is only the commencement and that Shiba Inu will continue to ascend. A Twitter expert tweeted a message showing Shiba Inu's latest price chart, stating, "Run it back, Shiba Inu." It represents the community's will to sustain this momentum. There is a prevailing sense of optimism among individuals at this moment. At this juncture, things get quite intriguing. Amid widespread fear and pessimistic sentiment, significant investors are capitalizing on the circumstances. They are acquiring substantial quantities of Shiba Inu. We are discussing an astounding 477 billion Shiba Inu. One whale, in particular, has significantly increased their holdings by acquiring a total of 477.5 billion Shiba Inu. On-chain data indicates a significant accumulation event, as a whale has transferred over 257 billion Shiba Inu from a cryptocurrency exchange to a private wallet. The wallet currently has around 8.57 million in Shiba Inu. This transaction is particularly noteworthy since it occurred only 25 days after a comparable transaction, in which the same wallet got over 220 billion Shiba Inu from Binance, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange. Historically, significant inflows into personal wallets often indicate that whales are collecting assets rather than liquidating them. They are persevering for the extended duration, particularly throughout price declines. Upon reviewing the wallet's transaction record, a discernible pattern emerges. Approximately 170 days ago, it sent 65 billion Shiba Inu to an exchange, having previously received a comparable quantity from Binance. This activity often indicates that the whales are executing strategic maneuvers, while others may be panicking. This is another explanation why many Shiba Inu enthusiasts see this decline as an opportunity rather than an indication of distress. Nonetheless, it prompts contemplation into the reasons behind these occurrences. What is the current status of Shiba Inu? It seems that Shiba Inu is not the only entity engaging in its activities. The whole cryptocurrency market seems much improved at now. An expert said that the market is recovering, with the overall market capitalization rising by almost $38 billion. In a tweet, he said, "It is encouraging to observe the market's recovery and upward trajectory. As the whole market begins to rebound, it often elevates all assets, including Shiba Inu. As whales accumulate Shiba Inu, this may indicate a broader trend of market stabilization and potential resurgence. Given that momentum, Shiba Inu may persist in its ascent, particularly if the turnaround continues to accelerate. Upon further examination, it is evident that Bitcoin has recently shown significant fluctuations. Following a recent decline, it successfully rebounded to the $97,000 mark, and one expert elucidated the events that transpired. The last days have been unfavorable for the cryptocurrency market, resulting in roughly $1 billion in liquidations from leveraged holdings. This resulted in significant losses for the bulls and Bitcoin, as the focal point saw a decline in price below the critical $97,000 threshold. The situation started with turmoil in the futures market, characterized by unprecedented liquidations, around 1,700% favoring long holdings. The situation was unappealing, but what specifically triggered this sell-off? The impetus seemed to be the emergence of DeepSeek, a Chinese competitor in the chat domain, which subsequently influenced the cryptocurrency market. The adverse mood generated by this revelation exacerbated the situation, particularly for Bitcoin. Subsequently, Jim Cramer, the CNBC figure, provided his bleak assessment, which seemed to exacerbate the prevailing gloomy sentiment. However, there is an unexpected turn. Renowned for the inverse Cramer effect, his adverse perspective ultimately signified a pivotal moment. Subsequent to his remarks, Bitcoin executed a remarkable resurgence, ascending beyond 96,000. This abrupt resurgence sparked a substantial wave of short liquidations, obliterating the positions of bearish traders in a 31% increase. If Bitcoin's momentum persists, it may provide Shiba Inu with the impetus required for further ascension. Everything is interconnected. Should market sentiment become favorable, Shiba Inu may also see an upward trajectory. This is when it becomes really exhilarating. This latest decline may conclude sooner rather than later. Matt Hogan, the chief investment officer of Bitwise, had some intriguing insights on this matter. He posits that the present correction is expected to be ephemeral, and historical evidence seems to support this assertion. Bitcoin often rebounds robustly after these transient declines, which is encouraging news for the entire market. Hogan noted that in the last 10 years, each time the stock market index declines by 2% or more, Bitcoin generally has an average decrease of around 2.62%. However, what is particularly noteworthy occurs 1 year later. Gold typically appreciates around 7% on average throughout the same time frame. However, Bitcoin has been seen to escalate by an extraordinary 189%. That constitutes a significant disparity, does it not? What are the implications for Shiba Inu? If Bitcoin's recovery adheres to this historical trend, Shiba Inu may also see a resurgence. As Bitcoin gains strength, Shiba Inu may have a corresponding upward momentum. This transient decline may bode well for Shiba Inu's prospects. The rationale for the movement of Shiba Inu is becoming more clear. The latest price declines mirror the trends seen in the larger market. However, specialists advise that we must be vigilant, prudent. These little declines have placed Shiba Inu in a significant position. Analysts report that Shiba Inu has had a significant decline lately, forming a pattern that has garnered much attention as one of the most notable price declines of the year. The substantial candle shadow on the daily graph illustrates the significant volatility present as investors endeavor to ascertain the future trajectory of Shiba Inu. Typically, this kind of pattern may indicate an impending price turnaround, but if momentum does not change promptly, it might potentially suggest more declines. Currently, Shiba Inu is trading slightly above its last low, with the price level that previously served as support now functioning as resistance. Analysts are closely monitoring several critical thresholds. Should Shiba Inu maintain its position above a certain price threshold, a comeback may occur, particularly if trading volume increases. The subsequent objective for bulls would be a certain elevated level, and if Shiba Inu can convert that price point into support, it may provide the groundwork for a rally. If Shiba Inu fails to maintain its position and falls below this critical threshold, it may decline further. Significant selling pressure persists, particularly when the moving averages decline, and there is insufficient accumulation of purchasing strength to effect a reversal at this time. The candle's shadow is a significant signal at now. It may indicate a comeback if purchasers persist, or it may suggest more difficulties if the current trend continues. Investors must closely monitor these critical levels, as they are likely to dictate Shiba Inu's short-term trajectory. However, pause for a moment. Shytoshi Kusama, the principal figure of Shiba Inu, promptly intervened to clarify the situation. He promised the community that Shiba Inu would stay resilient, regardless of market fluctuations. Notwithstanding the present market volatility, Kusama said that exceptional cryptocurrency projects would always transcend the distractions, highlighting Shiba Inu as one of these exemplary initiatives. Kusama seems to assert that utility-driven ventures, such as Shiba Inu, would surpass those devoid of tangible real-world applications. This has been under development for some time. The Shiba Inu team has been diligently striving to evolve it from a mere meme currency into a comprehensive utility token. Shiba Inu has developed into a whole ecosystem, including many initiatives, including a decentralized exchange, a Layer 2 blockchain, NFTs, games, a metaverse, and a marketplace. Some of these initiatives are now operational, while others remain under construction. Herein is the exhilarating aspect. A significant number of individuals within the Shiba Inu community are expressing optimism on the potential of these utility-driven efforts to enhance Shiba Inu's value over time. The forthcoming initiatives suggest that Shiba Inu may possess enduring viability, transcending its status as a mere meme coin to become a significant contender in the cryptocurrency arena. In the long run, it is evident that Shiba Inu is poised for significant advancements. Given its committed community and industrious developers, it is certain that significant developments are forthcoming for Shiba Inu. This may well be commencing at this moment. Shytoshi Kusama, the principal figure of Shiba Inu, recently hinted at what he termed the most significant news in Shiba Inu's history, captivating widespread anticipation. Kusama said in a tweet that he would return to concentrate on Shiba Inu and its ecology after a period of relaxation. Prior to that, he said that he had been engaged in another cryptocurrency project as the chief technology officer. After a period of respite, he will refocus his efforts on Shiba Inu and the other tokens inside its ecosystem. Bone, leash, and reward. However, here is when it becomes very exhilarating. Kusama said that he and the team are getting ready for what may be the most significant announcement in Shiba Inu's history. He said that he has provided the Shytoshi Coin CTO with a robust strategy to acquire market share from major competitors such as Hasbro. While we await this significant news, it seems like Shiba Inu is preparing for something major. Under Kusama's leadership, and with several initiatives underway, Shiba Inu's future seems very promising. What is your perspective on this matter? Please leave a comment below.